This is the JoyReken USB hub, and comes with the hub. You can see this says the 3-port. There's also a 4-point. This is a 2.0. They also have 3.0. Comes with a little wrist lanyard and neck lanyard. If that's of interest, there's a little spot to put it on there. In my case, I just need to add a keyboard and a mouse when I use laptop for gaming, just because there's limited ports. So for this use, basically plug in the mouse. Now I've got my dedicated gaming mouse and keyboard. Can control my games without needing to use the laptop keyboard or trackpad, and I still leave the other USB port free for a fan for the gaming to keep the laptop cool.